my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we talk about the Zilliqa. What's the prices goes in Zilliqa, what's the high price, what's the low price, and what is the current situation of Zilliqa and cryptocurrencies market. I will also talk about the next target of Zilliqa, so keep watching this video with the end. If you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now first of all we look the price of the Zilliqa coin. As you can see here, the price of Zilliqa is about 0.198611 USD dollar is a high price of Zilliqa at this time, friends. And if we look the change occur in Zilliqa is about the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 7 day change is negative, friends. Now for more details, let's check it out the price prediction chart of the Zilliqa coin. What's the price change goes at this time in Zilliqa? Let's see. As you can see here, the last 1 hour change is absolutely a negative 2.68%, and the high price of Zilliqa is about 0.2018 USD dollar is a high price of Zilliqa coin at this time, friends. Now friends, if we look the price prediction funds of the Zilliqa, as you can see here, a very great fast occur in the last 1 hour in Zilliqa coin, friends. For more details, let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction and try to detect what's the next target occurs in the agent coin. As you can see here, a very big jump occurs in the agent coin. As you can see here, I never saw this kind of jump in a cryptocurrency market, friends. Now let's check it out the next target of Agent coin. First of all, we look the change occur in Agent coin in the last 1 day. The last 1 day change is about 2.72%, and the high price is about 0.2089 USD dollar is a high price of Agent coin, friends. Sorry, it is a Zilliqa price, as you can see here. Now as you can see here, a continuously falling period of Zilliqa coin starts now, friends. As you can see here, if we look the price prediction, what's the next target goes in the Indian coin. As you can see here, at this time that is a support level, and now let's suppose that is a resistance level. Sorry, the line are not straight, but I'm trying my best at this time. If we look the change occur in Zilliqa coin, as you can see, same process occur in Zilliqa. As you can see, it falls, and after it falls, there is a jump. So as you can see here, now it's a falling period. So now it's time to take a jump in Zilliqa coin. So maybe they take a high jump, maybe they pass down again. We can't say about the future of Zilliqa coin, but there is a high possibility of to take a jump Zilliqa coin. 70% chance to they take a jump, and 30% chance to they falls down. What's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? Please share in the comment section, and also subscribe button, also press the subscribe button for a new video notification.